And I can always come in again with another layer of 90%, or I can, you know, go over this whole portion with my black to really get that deep shadow. I got a little bit sloppy with my lines back here, but if I take my light olive green and go over that again, I can potentially kind of blend those out or make them not quite so noticeable, but it's not that big of a deal. There's still a little bit more contrast that needs to happen up here, so I'm going to go over this with the light olive. And again, I can do this right over the color pencil I've already laid down. And then that provides a little bit more contrast, and I like that a lot more. This can be a little bit more green, so I'll go ahead and use my pencil for that. Pick up some of that warmer green. And I can lay down some of those veins with this pencil as well. The last thing, and I would encourage you guys to try to do this, it really makes these come to life a lot, is these droplets of water. They look a lot harder than they actually are to do. You don't have to follow exactly what's on there, but it's kind of fun to actually include some, and it's really not that difficult to do. It's all about contrast. We need the darkest values and the lightest values. And excuse me, those right next to each other really make things, you know, I've said this before, really make things appear to be shiny. So if you lay down, again, you want a nice sharp white color pencil, but if you lay down a nice just circle bead and then leave a little bit, don't do a completely white circle, leave a little bit of an opening so some of the leaf can come through there. But the key after that is to take your black and outline portions of that water. You could actually take let's do another one. You could take the dark green, and actually that's probably more successful than the actual black. Take the dark green and go around that. Okay, we can see how that really, you know, adding these kind of water drops really brings that to life. But it's kind of that dark edge that's really going to make it pop. It works the best on the darkest portions of your leaf, but you can still do it. Here, this is gonna be loud, but I'm gonna sharpen my white again and try to pick up that water drop down here. And this one you can see, because it's on the lighter portion of the leaf, that there really is a dark, pronounced edge to that water drop. Okay, Just try to have fun with this one. This is obviously a little bit more advanced, but this is just a beginning course. I'm not going to be grading hard on you guys, but I want you to play around with, again, I'm going to hit this so many times, the contrast and the value changes. Really think about where those dark areas are and those light areas are. That's going to give you, that's going to make your drawing the most powerful if you have those different changes in value. And then just layer on this marker. Start light and just layer, 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 and then play around with the pencils, you know. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and hopefully I'll be able to upload this this view or this video, and it will work. So good luck, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with.